folks, Fred Shelton with the Shelton Selling Team. This is the first part of a two-part series. Our topic for today is home buying programs and tips. When purchasing a property, you want your mortgage payment to be at 30% of your monthly income, plus or minus 5%. Also, you want to set aside 20 to 30% monthly of your mortgage payment to cover for any emergencies that you may have. For instance, if your payment is $1,200, you want to set aside 20%. That'll be $240 that you squirrel away. Credit cards, you want to keep those at 30% of your credit limit. A maximum of 2 cards per family works best. HomePath and HomeSteps are a couple of federal programs that can assist you with your home buying. HomePath and HomeSteps, they have a first look program, and up to 15 days a home buyer can make an offer before any competition from an investor. And with HomePath, you also can put down 3% to purchase a home. NACA, the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, is HUD approved. They have a no down payment program. This is Fred Shelton signing off. Remember, when you say jump, we say when can we come down. We look forward to working with you, and we'll see you next time.